Bagger 293 is a massive mining machine built in Germany for lignite mining. It moves on multiple crawler tracks designed to dig continuously. It weighs over 14,000 tons, longer than 2 football fields, powered entirely by electricity, among the largest machines ever built. The wheel carries many cutting buckets, each scoop remove huge amounts of earth. It operates day and night without pause, feeding conveyor systems non-stop. It